So today I'm excited to be reviewing this MSGM, right? That's the name. Let me take off the coat and show you all. MSGM, you can see it, the close-up. I hope you can see the close-up of the coat. It says MSGM and MSGM, and it's brand new with tags, and this was over 2,200 from LA. I got it from LA, and it is leather and gold for kidassa, gold for coat. I love the uniqueness of the coat. I mean, look at the lining. It has a black lining, and then look at the black, the back side of the coat. And as you can see, it has the makeup here. It says that it is made in Italy, and the lining is viscose, and this is Tibetan gold. Okay, so it is a lightweight coat. It's not heavy at all, because I do have some heavy furs. I don't think it's heavy at all, and it is striking. I mean, the black and white is perfectly striking. It's just something else. I love it. I think it's amazingly ooh la la, fabulous, my kind of style. And so let me go ahead and put it on, you know, such that we can see what it looks on before I start with the showcasing of it. Ooh, 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 ooh. It is fabulous, don't you think? And I'm styling it with the sequin thigh-high boots, and I'm gonna do a close-up of the boots. I mean, can we take a moment and appreciate the sparkle of the boot? You all usually ask me to do a close-up of the boot, and so I'm trying to make sure that you all get a close-up of the boot. And then I have this fringe top, chain top. I mean, is this unique or what? Can you imagine me going out for lunch with this? Wouldn't it look fabulous? Or even dinner. This would look good for dinner. I just love the chain details on the bra top. It's fabulous, and I think it goes with this sequin boots, and it kind of adds a pop of je ne sais quoi to the coat. And then I'm styling it with long leather gloves. You all have been asking for long leather gloves. Even when I wear coats, you can't really say, but I am wearing the leather gloves this time because I'm gonna take off the coat, and when I take off the coat, then of course you can see the gloves. So this is the look. This is my look. I am loving it. Comment down below and let me know what you think of the coat. Comment down below and let me know whether you think this will be fabulous for lunch or dinner. I really love how the coat moves. The goat form moves around. It's so fabulous, and it's a natural color. So let me go ahead and do the showcasing of this coat. So music, hit it. you enjoy the showcasing of that fabulous, 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 fabulous black and white fur coat. I like the look, I like the uniqueness of the look, and I like how it looks with the leather gloves. And I like styling it with this fringe brass top and the sequin tie-high boots. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Comment down below and let me know whether you think that is a good look or not. And so I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your being with us. Thank you so much. And do keep the comments, the fabulous, the nice, the supportive comments coming, and the comments about what you would like to see. And if you have not yet already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And do turn on the notifications such that you'll be notified when I upload another vlog. And so, till next time I upload another vlog, you all keep on being safe and keep on finding your happy place. And do please follow me on my social media and on Instagram at fashionistaprofessor, and on Twitter at fashioниstaprofessor, and on TikTok at drchinyereo. And so till next time I upload another vlog, thank you. You'll continue to stay safe and continue to be happy. And I appreciate your support. Merci, merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que merci.